Best fat burner supplement for men. Are you a man struggling to burn stubborn fat despite training hard and eating right? Do you wish there was a safe, effective, and science-backed way to boost your metabolism and accelerate fat loss? Today you're going to discover the best fat burner supplement for men in 2026, why it works, and how you can use it safely to reach your goals faster. Stay tuned, this video will break everything down, including how Mitolyn can support your weight loss journey.
Let's be real, losing fat can be frustrating. You go to the gym consistently, you eat clean, yet your belly fat won't budge. That's where fat burner supplements come in. Fat burners are formulas designed to support your body's ability to burn stored fat more efficiently, often by boosting metabolism, increasing energy, supporting fat oxidation, and sometimes suppressing appetite. They're not magic pills, but when used correctly with proper diet and exercise, they can make a significant difference. Today's #1 recommended fat burner for men is Mitolyn, a powerful supplement designed to support metabolism, energy, and fat burning without harsh stimulants. Mitolyn combines natural fat-burning ingredients with modern metabolic support technology. Benefits include supports healthy fat loss, promotes metabolism boost, natural appetite control, supports energy levels, and no crash or jitters. If you're focused on losing belly fat, improving muscle definition, and supporting overall weight loss, Mitolyn is just the best fat burner for men you need. If you're serious about burning fat and leveling up your results, try Mitolyn today. Click the link in the description below, check out the best deals, and start supporting your fat loss progress now.